Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Chicken Gamer here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shift sprint script in Roblox Studio. So if you press shift on your keyboard, then it'll make you sprint in your game. So if this is what you want for your game, then make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is insert a local script inside starter character scripts, and then you can just name this shift to sprint. You don't need to name it. I'm just naming it in case I add more scripts in the future and I want to be able to find it easily. So I'm going to do a time lapse and just pause the video and copy what I type. Make sure you get all the capitalization correct, because the capitalization is very important in Roblox Studio because it's case sensitive. If you do something in lowercase when it should be uppercase, then it might not work. So make sure you just do it the way I do it for it to work. Okay, so let's get started into the time lapse. Also guys, I set script.parent for a local character even though I put it into starter character script. So even though it's not actually inside the character, this script is going to be cloned, and when a player joins the game, this script will be cloned and inserted into the player's model inside the workspace. So this is why I typed script.parent. So let's carry on with the time lapse. Also, this doesn't have to be left shift. I just typed enum.keycode.left shift because I want people to press the left shift, so the shift button on the left side of the keyboard. Because if you look on your keyboard, there's a shift on the left side and there's also a shift near the arrow keys on top of the control button right next to the arrow key. Okay, so just type left shift if you want people to press the left shift, but you can also type .A, .B, like that. So it doesn't have to be left shift. You just select your own key. So let's carry on. I put humanoid.walk speed equals 32 because I want the people that press shift to go double the walk speed, because the default is 16. So it doesn't have to be 32, it could be any number you want. It could be 50, 100, anything. You could make them go slower if you wanted to. So carry on. This is it. So if I click play, and I press shift, you can see that I go really fast, like this. So you press shift once, and then you go fast, you go double the normal walk speed, then you press shift again, then it goes back to the default walk speed. Also, I made new shirts in our group. I just updated my shirts because I had my old YouTube logo on it, so I wanted to make some new shirts which had my new one on it, and they look pretty nice. So if you want to show me support, then make sure you go over to our group. It's called the Chicken Gamer official fan group. So if you want to be part of the Chicken Gamer squad, then go join that. And if you want to show support, you can go ahead and buy one of our shirts, 20 Robux each, there's 12 different colours. So yeah, so this is going to be for today's video. If you did learn something from these videos and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when the video comes out. Also, if you want to shout out on one of my videos, then make sure you comment a video suggestion in the comment section, then I'll give you a shout out. So this is it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.